Anywhere without somebody going with them. You know, like when we were kids, we could do anything we wanted to do. Nowadays, you can't do anything.
We're with the birds in Monterey. Come on. Want to see the white bird?
Oh, that one has a lot of
Take care. Yeah, I know. Take care of that little dog that's got short legs.
Now the dog. I want to put it on.
Can I put it on?
Nado, Ben.
Come on, Ben.
Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Oh, what did he do? What did he do?
I told you need to be careful with your crackers around a birdie.
What did you do that for, Toby? You just grabbed that right out of his hand.
He got your cracker, dude.
He got your cracker, didn't he?
Is that funny?
Paul, you want a cracker? Birdies like crackers.
Yeah, birdies eat it.
He wants another cracker. That was hilarious. Thanks for doing that.
Did you get a picture of that?
Yeah.
That was
I got it on video.
Yeah, that's quick, boy. Ed. Quick.
He's back to eating another one.
Took it right out of his.
He's over there going, I hope that birdie doesn't come take my cracker.